We have meteorologists bringing up some points here connected to 5G, saying that the frequency connected to 5G could interfere with water vapor signals, meaning a less accurate forecast. Now, there's a lot of different things going on in the atmosphere out there. There's a lot of weather manipulation. When it comes to frequency, though, this is something that can be manipulated on many different levels. We've talked about this even with your music. They have changed the hertz from the original form to a distorted form. Now, you can manipulate the vibrations of many different things out here, in which they do. They can also introduce new factors into the atmosphere, like to try to heat up the center of, let's say, a tornado or a hurricane, for instance. You would see that on the weather radar. You would see that burst of heat. Now, in terms of what they're doing here with 5G, they're saying the frequency is going to be blanketed across the region. So when the satellite is trying to pick up this imagery and pick up the water vapor, these signals are going to be kind of crossed through it, making it kind of fuzzy. This is similar to the weird anomalies that we were picking up off of the mimic map. Those of you may recall, the past couple years, we were catching big anomalies coming from Antarctica, stretching all the way up toward America off that mimic map. And they were being picked up in the atmosphere by the satellite feed, almost in the exact same way that they're warning this could be picked up. This is going to be interesting. Once 5G is rolled out across the board, if we start to pick up anomalies on radars like the mimic map, we should be able to track back to the exact location of where these things are coming from, show proof of what's going on, and if it is distorting weather patterns or anything like that, we should see some kind of evidence there. But the meteorologists already warning about this, saying that this is going to be a big deal. And they're talking about the frequency bands that the U.S. government is auctioning off for this 5G. And they're saying the FCC has just gone ahead with the sales, not looking at any of the other details connected. And this brings us right back to the health concern we talked about last time. But I'll leave a link. I'll update with more as I come across it. Make sure to follow me on Twitter for the latest updates. It's been Dabu7. Much love.